Alright, so we're back. And if you guys remember in the last part, we left off on this area after we shot that huge, which I think is a nest. I'm not sure on this. I guess I would have to, I wouldn't say ask, but I'd check more on it. See what that huge thing is exactly. I'm not sure what it is. Regardless of what it is, we shot it. We got tons of jewels out of it. We made something that is very precious, the mega powerful lantern kind of thingy. Now we're gonna create this bridge and go through that door, and hopefully get Ashley at some point. I think there's gonna be an area which is like a cave now, and filled up with tons of those flying, I don't know what the hell they are. So shotgun is very, you know, recommended by me to use to kill those dudes. What can I tune up? Oh, blacktail. I probably can't tune up too much. Oh, right gun, finally. Ah, crap. I don't have enough cash for that. TMP's done. Yeah, that was that. So I need to the firepower and capacity of this. So I'm gonna sell crap till I have enough money, like the incendiary grenade.
Thank you.
I'm not particularly I don't care much about it. Chicken egg. Yeah, I'll always sell it even though it's not that much. Although brown and gold chicken eggs are more valuable. Let's just sell stuff I have. Always keep these stuff with you. So see, this is very high price. Always keep these gems with you because you will need them eventually. Let's tune up the right gun. I probably shouldn't, but even if I sell it to buy a better one, I'll get my money back, so it doesn't really matter, does it? Alright, let's save up this. Can I go? Can I go now? Yes, I can go now. Let me go here. And kick the door open. Is that the dungeon I was thinking that it is now, or probably not? No. It's not now. It's not that dungeon I was thinking now.
I wonder if you can see me, Mr. Kennedy.
If you even scratch her, I'll break your bones.
First, we shall see if you can make it this far. I'll be waiting.
Yeah, I can't see him at naked eye, but if I guess I put the binoculars on, then I can. And they got Ashley captured. Which, to my opinion, I mean, I know she's the main mission that we're here and the main objective, but to my opinion, they can keep her. I don't give a crap. She's just annoying character. That, yeah, you can tell I don't like her. I'm not gonna rant too much. So, could save there, but I just saved, so there's no point. I can turn this around though, so I can go through there, because that door is blocked. So I don't think it's gonna be any good, and if I go back, that's pretty much from where I just came from. And I can see already one here, oh crap, one here, and one there where enemies are gonna come from. I can already tell. Probably not right now, but they will eventually. Especially, I think it's probably when I have to go back with Ashley. I think they're gonna come out from, yeah, I'm gonna keep my eye out. Oh crap. Oh man, I hate this area. See that dude back there? Yeah, there's another one of them around here, and they are annoying. You can tell already where I am. Oh crap. Oh crap. Let's skip that. Oh yeah, you got stuck, bastard. Okay. Oh crap. If I just walk, can you see where I am? Oh crap! Get off! Get off! Let me just get that little green herb. Oh, you got stuck again, you stupid asshole. There we go. That's 2 out of 3. Oh crap. Oh, piss. You nearly killed me, Jesus Christ. I'm gonna combine this with that to make another one. I'm gonna use this one, and I'm gonna use that one, and I'm good. Okay, so if I dodge him, and then if I walk, he can't tell where I am. Like he doesn't know where I am now. But if I, shit! Yes, he does. But if I run, he can clearly hear me. I'm not sure if it's walking or walking slowly. Oh crap! Is he stuck to the wall? Yeah, he is. Okay, I hope that was the last one, but I don't think so. He's still here. That was the last one. So that opened. I reckon there was, I believe there was 2 of them in this area, not just one. Apparently there was just one. I don't know. If I were to shoot those bells, it would be attracted to it, and then like be sort of kind of easier. But having him coming at me, then that's not easy at all. Holy crap! This is way faster to shoot and more powerful, as you guys can see. Ooh, first aid spray. I could definitely use one of them 10 minutes ago. Oh well. Can I keep these doors open? Yes, I can. Is there gonna be another blind Wolverine guy around here? That kind of reminds me of that. Oh, that guy from Street Fighter. Was it called Vega? Was it? There's one guy from Street Fighter called Vega that had the claws in. Kind of reminds me. It reminds me of him because of the claws. Obviously, it's you know, it's just. Oh, there's an FMV sequence here.
Ashley.
Mr. Kennedy, don't you know when it's time to throw in the towel? No! Leon!
Oh, crap. He reached to his bat belt and got...
Where's the satisfying sound of one's impalement?
And not today, buddy.
Old trick.
How dare you! No more games! Kill him! Kill! Quickly! We shall prepare for the ritual!
Leon, you're alive.
Yep, he's alive. And ready to rescue you. Alright, so loading and phone call from the other dude.
So maybe you have 9 lives, but it doesn't matter now, Mr. Kennedy. I've sent my right hand to dispose of you.
Your right hand comes off?
Say whatever you please. Die, you worm!
Your right hand comes off. Holy crap. So he has been impaling people. They're not villagers, are they? I don't even know. The crown. So I told you guys about the crown before, and how you should not waste the. You should not waste those little 2 stuff you have. Well, there's another part to it. So there's a crown. There's this pendant that you can. Oh crap. Okay, apparently not. I remember this crown having 2. Okay, if it's not dependent, which apparently it's not, then it's something else, and I can't sell the pendant as it. I can't remember. I'm gonna keep the pendants for now, regardless. I might sell them at some point in time, not right now. What does he have new that I might want? If anything at all, I don't even know. Ooh, so he has no stuff to buy. What does he have new to buy? Striker. So this is the best shotgun ever. I think. I'm not sure. And so that's pretty much it. So tune-up is the striker that he has. So if I were to sell my shotgun, would I get most of my money back or not at all? Incendiary grenade, yeah, I can sell that.
Thank you.
Riot gun, I can sell for 90,000. Would that be worth it? So firepower 7, speed 1, capacity 13. So oh crap, firepower 7. Yeah, I know this might be boring for you, but I want to compare, see if it's worth the investment. Oh yeah, this is like firepower 6 and capacity is 12 on stock without even being moved. Costs 43,000 though, which is basically half of this shotgun. Although I do prefer the shotgun. Okay, I'm gonna sell it. So I'm gonna sell that shotgun in whatever other crap I have around that I don't particularly care about. I don't want to sell this pendant though. Just yet, at
What are
least.
you buying?
I will buy this striker.
Is that old?
And can I just put it there? Like that? Yeah, I can. Oh crap. Okay.
Thank
Can
you.
I
What are you buying?
upgrade it? Which is, it says tune up, but it's pretty much upgrade. So it is
Thank
more
you.
or less to the same level as my other one was, and it didn't
What are you
cost
buying?
as much because I still have plenty of money. I'm satisfied generally by it. Could I arrange my inventory a little bit before moving on? I should. Oh, there's a yellow one, but I don't have a green one though. That kind of sucks. So I'm gonna keep the magnum ammo, even though I don't have a magnum just yet. I might, most possibly, will get one eventually. So I'm just gonna keep my magnum ammo as is. Alright, so this is arranged. I'm gonna save here as well. And yeah, I'll save it again. And can I climb up here? Is that what I gotta do? Yeah, I think so. So I'm just gonna climb up here and move on with the game. Is this? Oh yeah, this is where I gotta go. Oh no, I gotta take some blue vel. I do need a little bit more money to get wherever else stuff I want. Oh, just red herb. I just need a green herb and I can make another super mixed herb. Oh crap. What the hell was that? I don't give a crap. I'm just gonna equip my shotgun anyways. Oh, it's actually pretty nice. Can't remember what that is. Is it that monster that I have to freeze to kill? Is it even in this game that I have to do that, or is it Resident Evil? I can't remember, man. The games are so similar that sometimes I just freeze. I'm gonna end up the video here, and I'll see you guys on the next one.